Alright. Hello. Welcome.
Welcome
to City 17.
You have chosen
or have been chosen. So this is an unboxing video. This is my first unboxing video. I got this package from Amazon. I bought it like a couple days ago. And basically I bought a bunch of like camera gear and stuff like that. So let's see what's inside here. Get a knife. Bruh. I hope it's in focus. If it's not, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, so anyways, let's get to the unboxing. Sorry, you can't even see it. I should probably fix this. Here we go. Oh, I gotta blur that out. I don't know how to edit that well too. Whatever. Sheesh. Bruh. Ooh, here we go. Let's see what's inside here. Ooh. Ooh. What? Now this is unarguably the best part. We'll save that for later. Check it out. First off, we have, let me do this one. This is an Amazon Basics tripod. Yeah. But it was like 16 bucks. I got it on Amazon the other day, and well, obviously, and yeah, it's just so I can hold my camera up. It is cheap, so I'm kind of like on a budget right now. I don't want to blow all my money on camera stuff. I've been doing research on stuff I can buy, good deals and stuff like that. So this is the first purchase of a few purchases that I'll be making. So this is an unboxing and review. Wow. Sweet. So we have, comes in a bag, a nice bag, and then it unzips like halfway down. Cool. It's like a nylon bag. Here it is. Here's the tripod. Oh, that's nice. It's real light. It's real light, but it's a good weight. Ooh, it's soft. And as you can see, it's a nice brown finish. Nice brown. I don't know if it's in focus. Again, I cannot see the screen. But look at that. Shoot. Now, if you're looking to buy this thing, I don't know if I would recommend it because I haven't seen how it works. So, alright. Okay. Yeah, I'm probably gonna need this tripod. The good thing about this is that this is the shortest it goes, and it's like 17 inches-ish. So it can sit on your desk. And right now, it's just a little bit higher than the tripod it's on right now. Cool. So you can extend all the legs like this. It does have these switch locks, which might be like not that great, you know. But it's all good. It's real thin, but it gets a decent height, you know. It gets a decent height. I don't want to break it. I don't know if I'm using this right. Just switching down. The last leg. Amazon Basics. Can't get more basic than this. Alright, here we go. Here's this tripod, and you can extend the top a little bit too. Not that much, but still. I think it's a good height. For me, I don't really need anything much higher than this. I don't know how that's it. Yeah. Sweet. Overall, pretty good. It has a little level on it, which is cool. So you can like level your stuff basically. And then you can adjust the tilt here, the pan, the yaw, whatever, I don't know the terms. It looks like it's a 1/4 inch, maybe 3/8. But yeah, cool. So, and then the last thing I got, I only got 2 things this time. Last thing I got is this. Alright, now we got this Kingjoy Pangshi, I think it was called. Fluid head. It was like 30 something bucks. Apparently it's professional. I don't know about that one. But let's see here. See how good this is. Ooh, more bubble wrap. Sweet. Awesome. Ooh, nice. Oh, it does look nice though. Shoot, here it is. There's a user manual. This is it. Well, this is smooth. That's just a knob. Hello? I think it stopped, but what I was saying was the knobs are smooth, and this is a quick release plate. It's like cork. Let me try and focus this. I'm using like a, yeah? Okay. No. I don't need, thanks. Alright, see ya. Bruh. Anyways, cool, it has this little thing. I'm sorry, this is a terrible review, but here you go. Basically, the fluid head just makes your footage a lot more fluidy. Alright, so basically, I looked this over. It has a tilt tension adjust knob, and then the same thing with the pan, so it makes it harder or looser to pan. Oh, it's like on, oh, you slide it in, right? You see this little lever, this lever needs to come around so it can lock this in, but this knob has to be out of the way. So what you do is when you put it in, you press this back a little bit, and then it allows the thing to be pressed, and then you just let it go, and then now your base plate is secure. So you're welcome. All right, now it might fit on here. We'll see. So here's the tripod, and we're not in focus. All right, I think I got it. Yeah, I think I got it. Now this tripod is light, but what's good is well, now you have 2 arms, so it's a little bit awkward. So I guess you could take this out and then replace it with like a screw of like the same thread size, just so you don't have this extra thing that you don't really need. So I just tighten it all the way down so everything's tight. Now you have your fluid head. It's a little flimsy on here. I don't know. Oh, it's a quick release plate. What the? Cool. It's just a tad bit, there's just a little bit of play in this base plate here, but I mean it shouldn't really like affect your footage. Yeah, that's what you get when you buy like budget items. It's kind of like hit or miss. So I realizing I wasn't recording through my actual microphone that whole time. Anyways, I'm gonna mess with the tensions a little bit. Okay, that's as hard as it gets. I guess you could hold it down with this, but yeah, there's just a slight bit of play. As long as you're not going like, you know, straight up, straight down, super fast and super like rigid, then you're gonna be fine. But yeah, this has been the unboxing. To wrap up, I'm just gonna put this on the tripod. Alright, so I got it on. It's a little shaky. I don't know what these knobs do still. I'm trying to figure that. Oh, now it doesn't pan. Now it does. Okay, so have these loose. Have the sensitivity a little bit loose because you don't want super shaky footage. The only thing, dude, is the base plate here. I mean, this alone is solid, but it's just there's like this play here and it's not super stable. But I mean, let's see. I mean, it's pretty smooth. That's nice. Well, the panning. Yeah, that's alright. How about like going from opposite corners? Oh yeah, definitely. All right, that'll do, dude. That'll be cool. Yeah, the only thing is if you knock it, it's a little flimsy, and like I said, it's mainly because of the play right here. Like there's like it wobbles, so you just got to be careful. You can probably hold it. You can hold like the base plate here if you need. Like just hold it somehow, stabilize it a little bit more. But overall, I like this. This is a really good what do you call it? Fluid head. It's a real good fluid head, especially for its price. I don't remember. I think it was like 35. I don't know. But the stand will work. It's just a little flimsy. Obviously it was really cheap. It's a good little setup. It was probably like 16 plus. It was like $45 for this whole setup. It'll do the job if you need a tripod. I think it's pretty alright. It looks like a tripod. It works like a tripod. You're good. If you're just starting out, I would recommend this. If you're a pro, why would you get this setup? But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this review. And boom. Right, so here's what it looks like. Cool beans, get all that, sweet. And then this, you know, just tighten everything down. It has a quick release plate switch down here, so you switch it, the whole base plate comes out. That thing. Basically. Alright, so it's a nice easy disassembly. All you go is sick. Cool. Let's just pretend I cleaned up my room. I'll come sit down and I say I cleaned up my room. Alright. So I just cleaned my room from all this stuff, and yeah, so this is a great what? Oh, the plate. I just had like a moment. I was just like, bruh. This is a great setup. It was alright. It was 45 bucks. I think it's worth your money if you just need like some smooth shots, or you just need a tripod. It's decent. It's not like the best, not the prettiest setup, but it will do if you're in a budget, on a budget. Cool. So if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. You know, you're wondering how does this work or something, I'll get to them. But I hope you enjoy this unboxing video. This is my first unboxing video. Yeah, more to come though, because I ordered more stuff, so we're gonna have a nice little unboxing thing. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, please give it a thumbs down. Appreciate it. So yeah, see you next time, I guess. Once again, stay tuned. Alright, peace out. How do you turn this thing on?